So it's the 1 year anniversary of me getting this titanium stick 225 on my birthday. So we were out and about today, and I was looking. We were coming back from the flea market, and I stopped at Tractor Supply looking for shrink tube for another project. And lately I've been practicing with 7014, and I seen that not Harbor Freight, Tractor Supply had a sale on 7014. It was like $9 for a 5-pound box. No, I didn't know until I got home. I wasn't careful that they weren't 1/8 inch. They were 5/32. So I ran a couple beads today, and they were all right. But I'm running this. I don't usually run this hot. It's like 165 or so. So we're going to see how it goes. It doesn't look, since they sell it by the weight and not by the count, it doesn't look like this will take too much time to burn all these off. So we're going to see how it's going to go. Okay, 5/32, 7014 on about 165 amps, I'm saying. Let me turn the exhaust fan on. It's going to do a bit noisy. And let's see how it goes. Like I said, I don't generally run this hot on anything. I don't have that much practice. Let's see how it's going to go. I hope the auto darkening lens I got on the camera will work. Yeah, she's hot. She's a hot one tonight. Gonna get that slag off real quick. Trying to get more steady. Let's see. Continue. See, with 1/8 inch rods, I get slag peel with 1/8 inch rods in 7014 when the metal's cold enough. This a little more stubborn. I got enough left on my rod to make one more pass. And then we'll see how it comes out on the camera. Okay. Clean it off. Got a little divot on the end there. I need practice on my stops. So when I come across this, I can't see the edge. So all of a sudden I run off the edge and it's already too late to come back and fill that puddle there. I wonder if I can touch that up. Let's see. I got a little stub of a rod left. Let's see. It's actually the day after my birthday. It's actually the 12th now. It's 365 days, 366 days that I've had that welder. Yep. Take the filter off. That's what it looks like without the filter. Put it on a tripod. $714, 530 seconds, 160 something amps. A little bit I need a little more consistency. I mean, I could weld with it, but this ain't pretty enough. It's not like my it's not like my 1/8 inch. I'm a little better at. Yeah. All right, we're gonna call it. Okay, I want a do-over. I just did this with a much faster travel speed. I think the travel speed, I'm so accustomed to the 1/8 inch travel speed that I'm too slow across it. So with the 1/8 inch, with this 530 seconds, I almost doubled my travel speed and it came out a lot better. So we're gonna pause. I'm gonna get the lens back off the window charging and then we'll see how it goes again. I'll watch. Okay, we're gonna try it. More speed. Same settings, 530 seconds, 714, 65 or so amps. Go a little faster across the well. Yeah, didn't roll off the end this time. Like I was having a problem before, it was so hot, I was running so slow. It's still porosity right on the end here. I mean, that's not gonna cure everything. And when I picked up the speed, in my opinion, I got better results. Paused at the end there to see if it filled the divot up. I didn't start on the edge. So let's see. Of course, I could have turned the heat down too and just run at their normal speed, but that's the recommendation. So let's take the lens off, take a look. Oh, busted, there it is.